Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 6th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we definitely made a pretty nice turn up at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. Now, I am personally not really convinced that this is just going to end up continuing back up. I'm still very, very bullish on the dollar index, which would have to make me bearish on this. Also, we really haven't made an engulfing move to the upside at a fib level. We just got a couple bullish candles. I still think there's a pretty good chance that this may end up going down and taking out these lows, mostly because of the US dollar index. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of lower lows, lower highs, because if it really is going to continue the downtrend on the daily, then this move up right here potentially would end up being a pullback to this move down. So potentially it would go up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, and then it would break structure to the downside, which would tell us that we're heading back down on the daily time frame. So it all depends on what time frame you're trading. If you are like a very short time frame trader trading below the 1 hour, you could potentially still be looking for longs until you get a break to the downside at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.